So, ganito. We are here and ikaw ay maglalaro ng Repo. This is my girlfriend.
Hello!
Okay. Kakatapos niya lang ng tutorial and right now, maglalaro siya ng Repo. Do you play games like these?
Nope, I don't play any games at all.
Okay. She doesn't... No, you do.
I do. I do, Minecraft.
Minecraft, yes. Ang goal namin is makatapos siya ng at least one area. Okay na yun. Game?
Game.
Sige, game. Ano yung una mong gagawin?
I don't know.
You grab the cart
And go around.
and go around. Pilitin mo yung tab. Nakikita mo yung pathway mo. Hold yan. Ayan, nakita mo yung mga daan. Ang quota mo is 11,000. Kailangan lumabas dyan 11,000 bago ka bumalik.
Okay.
Okay.
Where?
Yes! You got this.
I go anywhere?
You can go anywhere. Basta nabubuksan yung door. Ayan, ayan. Okay. Also, mahal, if you press tab, kita mo yung gold na yon. Meaning ng gold na yon, pwede mo buhatin yun. May mga ting doon na pwede mo buhatin.
Okay.
You can open the...
A diamond!
There we go. 2,000. 4,000 ka na. Malapit na. Easy! Di ba? So easy! Pag di mo pa napupuntahan, hindi siya mag-glow.
Hey!
Di mo abot? You can jump.
Really?
Yeah.
Bakit may sound?
Pero ano pala, mahal? Kailangan mo lumagpas onte. Kasi pag napas mo yung round, merong upgrades. Kapag wala kang sobrang money, hindi ka makakapag-upgrade ng sarili mo.
I'm scared.
I know. I'm here.
Thank you.
Pwede mo i-open yung mga cabinets, by the way.
Like this?
Yes. Pag di siya nakalock. There we go. Yung, may mga laman yan minsan. Ayun, example. $2,000 plate. Mas natakot ako sa sigaw mo kaysa sa...
Takot niya ako sa sigaw mo!
Ikaw yung sumigaw, hindi naman ako. It's okay! It's
I want
okay!
more!
It's okay! Isa pa, sige, isa pa. Natakot ako sa sigaw mo eh!
Natakot na ako nag-react kasi ko alam kung ano yung meron doon.
It's okay, it's okay. Sino ba una sumigaw? Titignan ko
Ikaw!
sa editing.
Ikaw! O, sino na sumigaw?
Mas mababa ngayon, 9,000 lang. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit yung lugar. Pag may nakita kang kalaban, hanap ka ng table or
Yan
ng
nga
bed.
eh.
Tapos takbo ka doon, pinutin mo yung shift, tapos crouch ka agad doon.
Hindi ko nga siya nakita.
It's okay.
Hindi siya nang gagaling.
Wala. Nanginig ka. Slowly, huwag ka magmadali.
Walang tao. Hello?
Nagbubukas ka lang ng pinto.
Ayoko na.
Don't run masyado.
Why?
Kasi you need to reserve that energy.
Oh, I'm scared. There's nothing in here. Mama!
Bakit?
There's the sound!
Kaya mo ba buhatin yan? Hindi mo masyado mabigat yan.
Ayaw niya.
Hindi mabubuhat. Bakit? Anong sound?
Scary. Okay. There's a scary sound. I think I'm gonna die again.
Hi there.
Tago sa ilalim ng table.
I don't know where.
Ayan. Kasya ka dyan.
Really?
Yes, just press control. Hindi ka habulin yan.
Wala.
Pwede rin doon.
Natago na
Pwede rin
ako
dyan.
forever. Hello?
Yuko. Yan. Diyan ka lang.
Go away. Paano ko kikita nito? Nakikita sila?
Hindi. Imaginein mo lang na ano, yung kulay blue yun yung cart mo. Imaginein mo lang kasi kita mo yung mga white na yun, mahal. Those are doors. Pwede kang mag-strategize na, pumunta siya pa ganun, or pumunta siya pa ganun.
Okay.
Pwede mo siya i-check, dahan-dahan lang. Pwede ka mag-crouch pa din kung gusto mo, para hindi ka masyado kita.
Ay, we?
Pag maliit ka, di ka na. Pero wala kang flashlight kasi pag naka-crouch. No, run! You might
Do I have to... No! They can't see me. They can?
They can.
Wala, o, diba? Yun parang wala na akong nagagawa.
Isa lang. Kaya mo yan, isa lang.
No, I can't!
Sige, I believe in you.
Ikaw, try mo.
Ako! The video is about you nga eh.
Ay.
You got this.
I'm scared.
Last.
Okay.
Last attempt.
This is so stressful.
It is stressful. 6,000.
6,000 na lang yan, oh. Hello?
That guitar is pick-upable, I think. Yeah. May ilan yan? 4,000. Oh, okay. 4,000 agad yan, mahal, oh. Yun na lang ang goal natin. Huwag ka na mag-extra money. You can pick that up to... Okay. 5,000. This is our chance. Hindi mo na kailangan umalis. Doon nata sa loob kasi wala pang monster dyan sa area na yan. Can you press tab? Meron pa doon sa gilid. Asa ka 1,000 yan para okay ka na. Ayun, yung stack of money, I think. 600. Kulang ka pa, mahal. Tingnan natin, ilan na? 5,800. Kailangan mo na lang ng 1,000. Huwag mo na dalhin yung cart. Punta ka na lang doon. Tapos ilagay mo yung item sa cart, tapos balik na tayo agad.
Okay.
If you can pick that up, we win na. I think there's nothing here you can pick up, no? Can you pick that up? No. I have to go one more.
Hello?
I believe in you.
Hello? Mama, may scary sound!
I believe.
I can't go back.
Sige, dyan ka muna. Mahal, naka 5,800 na tayo. Kailangan mo na lang ng 1,000 peso item. $1,000 item. Isang item. And we win. Ayun o, yung buong area lang na yun o. Kailangan mo lang i-conquer. I believe in you, you got this.
Hello?
Stop.
Mama.
Walang item dito, mahal din.
Mama.
Wait, etong room na to sa gilid mo, maliit lang. Malay mo may laman.
It's laughing!
Run! Tago ka dyan! Yes! Very good.
I don't have the guts to play horror games. I only watch them. I mean, I'll be okay if you're here. You play with me.
Aww. It's okay.
I don't wanna move.
Okay, me move for you. Boyfriend switch! I got this. That door opened, right?
Yeah.
Somebody opened that door.
Pumunta siya dun dyan sa door na yan.
Oh, there he is. See him? Ayun o. Magkano to? It's not enough.
See? He's so good! I can't never.
Walang item here? Sabi mo may naririnig ka, mahal.
Yes.
So I can hide. Yung monster na yun, kaya akong one-shotin. She can bite my head off. There we go. Ay, hindi, 500 lang din to eh. Right? Okay! Now I just... Okay. Now I just gotta go back. Please don't be here. Please don't be here. Bibitawan ko talaga tong hawak ko. Tatapon ko sa pagmumukha mo. Okay. I think I'm safe. Right?
Run!
Okay.
Run!
We're safe. Don't worry. Wala na akong takbo eh. Ilan na?
Amazing!
8,000.
Kulang. Ay,
Tama. 6,000 na eh. Usually mahal, kailangan lumagpas like at least 20 para meron kang for the next round. Huwag kang magugulat babagsak yun. It's loud. Please, pass. You can come. Yeah!
Ang galing niya!
So ano yun? Ano yun? Success ba yun? O ano?
Sumakses.
Ano yun? Sabihin natin 50%. 50% success.
It's a group work, guys.
Ano gusto mo pa?
Ayoko na.